Hello, welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to connect Spyder, your Python IDE, with GitHub. This will allow you to easily manage your code, track changes, and collaborate with others using the power of version control. No more losing your work or struggling with multiple versions of the same file. Let's get started. First, ensure you have Git installed on your computer. Git is the underlying version control system that GitHub uses. You can download it from the official Git website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Search for Git download on Google. Next, you'll need a GitHub account. Head over to github.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Now, let's configure Spyder. Open Spyder and navigate to the Tools menu, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Version Control tab. Here, you'll need to specify the path to your Git executable. Typically, Spyder will automatically detect the Git executable, but if it doesn't, you'll need to manually browse to the location where Git is installed. This is usually something like c/program files /git /bin/git.exe on Windows, or /usr/bin/git on Linux or macOS. Once you've configured the Git executable path, click Apply and then OK. Now, let's create a local Git repository. Open a new project in Spyder or navigate to an existing project directory. Right-click within the Project Explorer panel and select Git init. This initializes a Git repository in your project folder. A hidden .git folder will be created to track your changes. Next, we need to connect this local repository to a remote repository on GitHub. Create a new repository on GitHub through the GitHub website. Remember to choose whether you want to initialize with a README file or not. Copy the repository URL from GitHub. It will look something like https://github.com/your-username/your-repository.git. Back in Spyder, open the Git pane if it isn't already visible. You might need to activate it via the View-Panes menu. In the Git pane, click the Remote tab, then click the plus symbol button to add a remote. Paste the GitHub repository URL into the URL field. You can name the remote origin, which is the standard convention. Click OK. Now, you're ready to push your local code to GitHub. In the Git pane, you'll see a list of unstaged changes. Select the files you want to commit, enter a commit message describing your changes, and click the Commit button. After committing, click the Push button to upload your local commits to the remote repository on GitHub. You may be prompted to enter your GitHub username and password or configure SSH keys for authentication. Congratulations! You have successfully connected Spyder to GitHub. You can now use the Git pane in Spyder to manage your code, track changes, collaborate with others, and keep your work safe and secure. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Consider supporting this channel to help us create even more great content.